Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial how to download BnS Buddy. We'll first start off with opening our browser. You'll land on Google, and from Google you can type in BnS Buddy. Alright, here we're landing on the forum. And then we go on the download right over here on the top right. After you've landed on the download page, you should get this. Now you'll click on the first button over here and to start download. Download will be automatically generated by the downloader. I have to press save, and I'm gonna use a new folder that I've created earlier. Alright, I'm gonna select this folder for this tutorial. There you go. You should get this file.rar. And to open the .raw file, you will be required WinRAR. The link will be provided in the description as well. You'll first start with extract to BnS Buddy updater over here. You're gonna open new folder. It's gonna be a BnS Buddy updater.exe file. Run as admin. Now you only have to click to download BnS Buddy. Simple step. After the updater is done, BnS Buddy will be started automatically, and you can go on with your settings of your choice. That sums it for downloading BnS Buddy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.